Prerequisites for AWS Amazon DynamoDB. YAML. Prerequisites. AWS account. Purpose to access and manage AWS services, including DynamoDB. An AWS account provides the necessary credentials and permissions for interacting with DynamoDB. Explanation: DynamoDB is an AWS service, and users need an active AWS account to create, manage, and interact with DynamoDB tables and data. Without an AWS account, access to DynamoDB is not possible. Enroll or user with DynamoDB permissions. Purpose: to grant specific permissions for accessing and manipulating DynamoDB resources. Explanation: AWS Identity and Access Management Inc. controls access to AWS resources. To interact with DynamoDB, you need an enroll or user with appropriate permissions, such as Dynamode Create Table, Dynamode Get Item, or Dynamode Update Item. These permissions define the actions you are allowed to perform on DynamoDB resources. Basic understanding of NoSQL databases. Purpose: to grasp the fundamental concepts and differences between relational databases and NoSQL databases. Explanation: DynamoDB is a NoSQL database, meaning it's not structured like traditional relational databases. Understanding NoSQL concepts like key-value pairs, document storage, and schema-less data models is crucial for designing and managing efficient DynamoDB applications. Knowledge of JSON format. Purpose: to understand how data is structured and represented in DynamoDB. Explanation: DynamoDB uses JSON JavaScript object notation to store and retrieve data. Familiarity with JSON syntax and data structures is essential for working with DynamoDB items. Understanding of data modeling and partitioning. Purpose: to design and optimize DynamoDB tables for scalability and performance. Explanation: DynamoDB requires careful data modeling and partitioning to ensure optimal performance, especially for high-volume data. Understanding how to partition data based on access patterns and data distribution is crucial for maximizing DynamoDB's capabilities.